So you're here to see how this Milani full face, with the exception of eyebrows, turned out. It's interesting. Keep watching to see how we got here. Because it was a struggle. Hi, this is Georgia from the Artless Life. And I'm here with another drugstore. My sidekick sleep right there, so I'm gonna keep it quiet. So I'm here today to show you, and possibly a wear test, because me and these kids finna get in these streets today. So I'm a little nervous.
Distance is unfair, I'm feeling like I'm wasting my time. No actions on repeat, to me it seems you're doing just fine. Assumptions can't be registered when it feels like you're mine. A lot of blocks tied up in the way, but I can't let you go. Vibrations on my cervix came and it's on the floor.
Okay, my sidekick woke up so I can talk now. As you can see, I got two different, and they have conceal and perfect, so their foundation and their concealer, they are 2-in-1. And so I had one, which side? This one was really red. The next one is really grayish, but I mixed the two half and half together and I got something that'll work. I have no experience with this foundation, so I don't know. I don't know if it dries fast. I don't know. Foundation concealer. Have my flat top brush, but I just use my flat top brush. This is a brush I got from Target a long time ago. And I'm gonna blend this in. I'm good with this. This is the only concealer color that I bought, and it's deep beige. It's okay, it'll be fine. I will put a dollop. I'm gonna put just a dot. Oh, that might be too much. Of this red concealer. I mean, whatever. It's gonna be a bright under eye today, but that's okay. I'm curious to see, because this foundation seems very dewy, and I don't do dew. Oh, edges. So you can see like from there to there, you can kind of see, and you'll be able to see it more because this is a very light thing, but I'm going through and blending those edges together before I set it. Oh, now I really like my other brush. So just go to Blend City, just sit back. Just take your time, just think about what you gonna do. Now, to be honest, I'm a bit nervous because I bought the products to do the process, the routine that I do with my MAC and Maybelline stuff. And so I bought Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Blur Out Powder, and I bought a Shine Proof Powder Conceal and Perfect in medium deep. So to be honest, I'm a little nervous about this, but I'm here. I'm committed. This is banana. Do this together. This is the inside. Pull the inside. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that. What am I supposed to do with that? And this is what's on the inside. Crushed. Yeah, I'm nervous. Let me look at my blendage. Yeah, blend game. Oh, not right there. Have mercy. Now I'm going to use a dry. I have a wet sponge, but I'm not comfortable, so I'm gonna use this dry one. I don't know what's going on. Ain't no directions. Let me see if it's some directions. I'm just jumping in. I don't know, but I'm finna just go in. I'm finna dip in here and see what happens. Y'all know how it is about these under eyes. Can't just jump in and set a crease. You cannot set, well, you can, it just don't look right. Well, I'm committed, so I gotta follow through with it, but I'm up here like, what are we doing here? What's going on here? Like in person versus on the screen, it's totally different. But that's how I'm feeling right there. Like, what are we doing here? That's a magic trick, boy. We're gonna see. We gotta go through the process. This looks like what I'm looking at here versus what I see in there is totally different. And that is crazy to me. Girl, I don't know. Maybe I should have used the brush to put this on. Girl, what is going on? I don't even see in person. I don't even see what the camera is picking up. This is weird. Is it Flashback City? Let me see my phone. But this is what I'm seeing. That is weird. Look, it ain't even doing nothing. It ain't even moving. But guess who's gonna keep going and see what? I just have to do my makeup again. But, child, I can't even see this. Let me record a portion. So this is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing. This is what y'all seeing. That is so weird to me. Girl, don't nobody use this sponge. Y'all need to save y'all money on them. Save them y'all money on them sponges. Don't nobody use that. Looks a little light. Well, I guess it kind of falls in there. Where's my brush? Yeah, I know my Glam by Sham. I don't know, focus. Yeah, I know my Glam by Sham. By now, maybe. Okay. Oh well. Okay, this is gonna be a fail. That's okay. How else you gonna learn? Then the instructions on it. Lightweight powder helps skin stay shine free. Buildable coverage for flawless finish. Mattifying bamboo powder absorbs oil. Calming lily extract tightens the look of pores. Use the enclosed sponge or brush to apply powder evenly. Wear alone or over foundation. Perfect for touch-ups throughout the day. I'm really curious about how this is gonna turn out. Girl, this is a lot of work trying to cover up this. I'm trying to cover up what I saw. Oh! Jeez Louise. We gonna follow through. Now this is what I see. Look at all that. Girl, I don't know what. I don't know. But we're gonna keep going. I guess I'll stop because I'm starting to get cake face. Okay, so I put my powder on. I guess a bronze, what is this called? This is an all-inclusive eye, cheek, and face palette. See, there's the bronze, but it ain't gonna be dark enough for me, but I'm going to use it. Look at my, oh Lord. Now I'm gonna go into the highlights. Okay, now I'm going in with the blush. That one. I'm going to spray the setting spray because I'm curious now at this point. I'm just curious to see how all this is gonna come together. So this is the Make It Last Original Setting Spray, Milani. If I ever do your makeup. No, I like to saturate. So setting spray. We shall continue on. Okay, next in this palette, I'm gonna go to, one day I'm gonna learn, the shadows. I just use all three, just for the sake of it. So I'm going in the lightest color and just brush it up in here. I guess I better use the gold. Just to give it, I just like for it to be a little bit of a ting. Ting! Oh, forgot about my bottom. Moving on. Kind of thinking about putting this gold liner in my waterline. Okay, so I put the gold liner in my waterline. This is a Milani Shadow Eyes 12-Hour Wear Brown Deluxe. So I'm just a little off kilter because I don't have a liner and I don't have brows. So I don't know, maybe they didn't make a brow pencil. I don't remember. But I have a mascara and I always get the darkest of mascara. This is Intense Black. So I'll put mascara on and then I'll put my lashes on. But I do those off camera because my mouth be wide open. I'll be back. But before I go, I guess I could show you the mascara, and that's the wand. That's cool. Curious to see. I want to show this mascara before I put the lashes on. It's not bad. I really like these lashes. For my lips, I use Milani More Matte Lip Cream. And then I just put this Milani More Matte Metallic Lip Cream. This is Chromatic Addict. This is Covet. I don't like them names. I'm here to say, I have to try these products again. Even in person, the powder does not look too bad. I recorded a video of me when I was in my bathroom, and so you can see. So this is my Milani failed look, but I had to go all the way through just because I wanted to. Blotches, the color's kind of off, but I'm gonna still wear it for the day just to see how it goes. Finna go close out this video. I hope you enjoyed seeing me stumble through this makeup look, but the point is you gotta keep going. But I do appreciate you clicking in this video. Leave a comment, let me know. What's your name? Where you from? What you do? You a high-end makeup girl all the time, or you dibble and dabble, tell me something about yourself, in them comments. Let me know. I am curious to see though, for real. We'll see how it goes throughout the day. My day is done, and this is what I'm looking like after however many hours it has been. I don't really have a comment. But you see it, so you let me know. I hope you were able to get something from this video. Thank you for your time. I'll be back soon. Bye.